Na Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. The day and time this vlog is being recorded is Sunday and it's around 8 a.m. What a great way to start the day with an encouragement for you guys. So I know it has been a really hard time para po sa ating lahat. This vlog is gonna be special because I would like to share with you an encouragement. One of my favorite verse from the Bible. Before that, we would like to thank our sponsor for this vlog. We would like to thank Park Road Cafe for sponsoring this vlog, providing us these goodies na na-receive natin sa kanila. Later on, I'm gonna be showing this to you guys one by one. There you go. So once again, thank you so much Park Road Cafe for providing us these goodies and for sponsoring today's vlog. In Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, it says, "Be strong and courageous, do not fear or be dread of them, for it is the Lord your God who goes with you. He will not leave you nor forsake you." Maybe we can substitute the word crisis with them, and we can read the verse as this: "Do not fear or be dread of this crisis, because God doesn't leave when a crisis hits. In most cases, He is closer than ever. So when a crisis comes, we can be strong and courageous, knowing God does not leave us nor forsake us, especially in this time of crisis." So I hope I was able to encourage you with that very simple verse, and yet it's so powerful. Even if there are a lot of concerns regarding this COVID-19 pandemic, God will never leave us nor forsake us. So, let's get into the food packages na mga na-deliver sa atin. So, the first box I would like to show you guys, dark chocolate with salted caramel. It is a moist and dense dark chocolate cupcakes filled with salted caramel. Check that out. Ayun guys. Let's taste it. Oh man. Wow. As the description says, it is very moist. Yung dark chocolate nila is not too bitter. And then, the caramel guys. Actually, pag sa mga Starbucks or sa mga coffee shops, most of the time, ino-order ko talaga yung mga caramel drinks. Because classic sweet. I think that what represents caramel for me. Cheers! Oh man, let me set aside this one because I still have like 3 more goodies to taste. Ang susunod naman na box na i-open ko today guys is red velvet cupcakes. So these are red velvet cupcakes with Park Road Cafe signature cream cheese. Oh, look at that. So I must say guys, for a size of this cupcake, it is heavy. Physical appearance pa lang niya guys, you can say it's already moist. Yeah, let's taste it. Oh wow. Oh wow. The texture of the bread is just right for me. However, para sa akin yung cream cheese niya is a little sweet. So parang na-overpower niya yung bread nung velvet cupcake. But nonetheless, again, it's still satisfying. Wow. So next to taste guys, yung cookie cups. These cookie cups are chewy chocolate chunk cookies in a cup with extra chewiness. They call it cookie cups. Oh yeah. Of the 3 I've tasted so far, I think this is gonna be my favorite. Yung sweetness and lahat ng mga flavor, I think it's all balanced. I can attest. Actually guys, it's really chewy. And then last to taste guys, yung tinatawag nilang chocolate crinkle. So these chocolate crinkles are rich, chewy chocolate crinkles in a box. Wow. Oh wow. What's up? Right, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I hope I was able to encourage you just a bit this Sunday morning Kung gusto nyo naman tikman yung mga goodies ni Park Road Cafe, you can check out their fan page for more products. Actually, they have been in the business for a long time. They are previously known as Sweetology Pastries. And hopefully, after this pandemic, makikita nyo na po yung physical store nila sa Tela Bastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So, once again guys, God bless you and enjoy your time with your family. Enjoy your time with these goodies. You can check out Park Road Cafe. And thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video guys. Stay safe. Bye.